Ooh, hi. Hi, baby. Hi, you're cute. You're a good boy, huh? My little baby boy. Look at, he's so cute. Hi guys, it's Jordan Byers, and today we are gonna be testing out this really interesting eyeliner invention type thingamajig. This is called the Quick Cat eyeliner strips. So I'm pretty sure this is like tape, and you draw on the eyeliner on this like tape, and then you put the tape on your eyelid and you pull it off, and it's supposed to leave the eyeliner. I'm pretty sure that's what it is, but I'm not quite sure. How about we just jump right into it and test this bad boy out? Yeah, I think that sounds good. Let's do it, let's do it. So right off the bat, we have a bunch of these little strips, and this is the actual eyeliner applicators, this little piece of tape. Interesting. So we have 16 for the left eye and 16 for the right eye, and then it came with a black eyeliner and then a set of instructions, which I will read really quickly. Okie dokie. So on the back of this little strip, so you see this right here, it's saying that on the other side to just completely cover it with this eyeliner. So I'm gonna do that really quick. That's this pink part right here. No way. So there we have our wing right there. Wow. Okay, then it says press inked side of strip against upper eyelid, aligning point 4 with outer corner of eyelid. Shoot! Shoot! All right. Okay. Press gently to ensure ink is fully transferred from strip to skin. Carefully peel strip away from eyelid from center outward. Wait, what? Oh, okay. And reveal the perfect. I'm gonna try it with a different eyeliner. So I'm gonna try it with this Schwing Black Liquid Liner by The Balm, and this is like, it's a wet liner. Okay, so this is definitely like, it's shiny. It's like shiny, it's wet, it's ready to go. Hopefully it works. I'm still gonna like, oh, okay. It peeled off. Okay, I felt that it was wet. I felt it was wet. Okay, now or never. Ready? Oh, girl, look, it's actually there. It's actually there. Yo, 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 it worked. It freaking worked. I mean, it's not all that like, it's not like real cute because I gotta like touch it up and stuff, but like, look, one eye. So it definitely works if you use a liquid eyeliner instead of a felt tip. There we go, it's liquid and felt. So they sent a felt tip eyeliner, but you definitely need to use a liquid eyeliner. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this on the left eye and see if it comes out similar. Oh shoot, I think I messed up. Okay, ready? Ready? Okay, I'm gonna press it. This is really, okay, oh yeah. Yo, I mean, it's not as good as the first one, but like still the shape is there. The shape is there. I can see that the shape is there. As you can see, both of the shapes are there. I mean, this one's like, this one goes all the way up to my eyebrow, and this one like doesn't, but I think I placed this off a little bit. So I'm gonna try out their eyeliner and see if this works better like alone, and we're just gonna touch it up. So I didn't like overline or anything. This is exactly what had happened when I used the device. And honestly, it doesn't look too bad. Like, it doesn't look too bad. Obviously, both of them are not even at all whatsoever. Honestly, if I'm gonna be brutally honest with you guys, I would probably say like, no, like let's skip on this. Let's skip on this whole kit and caboodle right here. And let's just freehand, because freehanding always, like, for me, like, it turns out way better than this. And like, these pieces of tape don't know your eye shape. Like, it's a general cat winged eyeliner shape, and everybody has a different eye shape, so I feel like it's just better to freehand, because you can freehand the way the eyeliner is supposed to like look on your own eye shape, if that makes sense. So yeah, this is not really a look for me. I mean, it's not the worst thing in the world, but it's still not that great. I'm doing a huge pass on this right now. I just rather freehand. And honestly, you guys, if you really want to do cat eyes and you can't, it just seems like you can't do it, listen. Everybody, all beauty people who are on YouTube, everybody had to start somewhere. I literally learned how to do cat eyeliner like a year ago. And before that, I was so confused on how to do it. I tried and tried, and it always turned out really bad every single time. But you just have to practice. I know that sucks, and that's not the answer you want to hear, because you want to find a quick and easy way to achieve cat eyeliner without actually having to freehand. But listen, freehanding is just the way. It's just the way that you're gonna have to go with it, unless you want like wonky, like really odd, uneven eyeliner like this. Just practice. Listen, here's my biggest tip for somebody who wants to practice how to do winged eyeliner. Just practice before you jump in the shower at the end of the night. Like, just practice. It's good. At the beginning, it's not gonna look good, okay? It's just not gonna look good unless you're freaking Picasso. But you just gotta keep practicing. Go buy a really cheap eyeliner from Target and just practice doing the wings on both sides every single night before you take a shower, and just keep practicing, and eventually you'll be able to do it real fast and be able to wear it like during the day and be like cute or whatever. You know what I mean? So don't give up. But honestly, devices like this are a huge pass. It's just not worth it in my opinion. And that is all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday, or I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. And I really, really appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.